sweetie.
Oh, wow. These are one of my favorite.
What are they, my dear?
Negronis.
I love Negronis. So hi everyone. So after all this time, we're doing another Pandemic Kitchen. Yay!
Cheers to all.
Negronis.
Oh, wow.
This one's a good one. Yeah. 5,000 or so years ago, the people in the southern parts of Thailand were going through the Thai jungles, catching red jungle fowl and barbecuing them. Well, what's interesting is they still are, except they domesticated it after a few years and they started calling it something like chicken. So we're going to make Thai barbecued chicken in honor of the original Thai barbecuers from 5,000 years ago. Now, I don't doubt that the recipe has probably changed slightly in that time, but we're going to follow as closely as we can the one that you find in the street of Bangkok. It's a wonderful dish and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, Sweet Pea. See you in a little bit. If you go to Thailand, you'll notice an interesting thing about the street chickens that you eat. One, they taste like something, as opposed to most of the chickens in the West, which taste like slightly chicken-flavored rubber. There's an awful lot of things you can do to make a chicken taste good. And on a barbecue, the biggest mistake that most of the people make is time. Thai barbecue chickens take an enormous amount of time. Anyway, the first thing is you marinate the bird. About a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of coriander, all this in the blender. So it will be our pepper and coriander, about 6 cloves of garlic, crushed, 12 sprigs of cilantro, including the stalks, 3 tablespoons of palm sugar or just old brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of stinky, disgusting fish sauce. Blend it up really well and stick it in the refrigerator. Use it very soon. You do not want to leave fish sauce sitting in your refrigerator for very long. So we're going to have to butterfly the chicken. I know, scary stuff, but it's not so bad. Okay, here's our fryer chicken. In order to butterfly him, we'll need to turn him around and remove his spine. I know, this is what you've been looking forward to. This is not the spine side. These are breasts. That's the spine side. Okay. Find the spine right there. Find one side of it. We have these lovely boning scissors that Karla found at a discount store. You can use kitchen scissors if you like. I'm a butterfly. Aren't I pretty? Yeah. Anyway, we're going to put in one of these fantastic Ziploc bags that Karla found. Reassemble. And drop them on in. Help me! Help me! And then about 3/4 cup of our marinade. And swish around the marinade so it's all covering the chicken. And now he's ready for 2 hours in the refrigerator. See you later, little guy. Since we have 2 hours to marinate that, I guess it's time we should make some dipping sauce. Yeah, that's right. It's a Thai dish, so it probably comes with some sort of dipping sauce. This one's pretty easy. Usually use about 12 Thai chilies for this. Mince all of these Thai chilies up very finely, because they're just going to sit as flavor in the sauce, so you want them pretty fine. In a Ziploc bag. So you just put it all in there. That will keep it smelling its best. Then about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, crushed. Half a cup of brown sugar. A 1/4 cup of stinky fish sauce. 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And 3 tablespoons of lime juice. You definitely want to seal this. It's got a lot of fish sauce in it, and it will be very smelly if you get it on anything. Get all the sugar dissolved, all the flavors mixed, and then set it aside for later. And that is Thai Stinky dipping sauce. He's lovely. Come here, little chicken. Come here, little red jungle fowl. Oh, here's a nice place for you to rest. There you go. Oh, you're looking lovely. Don't fly away. Not right now. We'll just get you all spread out here a little bit. We'll skewer you here. And then another one through here. And then we'll skewer myself. Get you spread out. There you go. Almost ready for the barbecue. Just need to get it close to the fire, but not right on it. I think this is close enough. What do you think? So I've lined up all the coals in the middle of the fire. I'm going to put the chicken, I actually have 2 of them here, and another one over here. Do this one first. Do it leg side out, the breast as far away from it as possible, and then raise it up a good long way. About there. This could take as long as 2 hours to cook.
Poor lonely bird. Where's your partner? Oh, there he is. There's your friend.
Here's the second one. Again. Leg side out. The dark meat is now at about 140 to 160 degrees. But the light meat is still in the kind of 100, 110. So what we're going to do is spin the whole thing around. 147. 149. Dinner is served. Picture yourself in a tuk-tuk crossing Bangkok, and you feel the need for something that must be eaten, something moist, delicious, and warming. Of course, it's 107 degrees, so warming may not be what you want. What would you choose, Karla?
Let me think for a moment. I would think Thai barbecue chicken, of course.
With
Rice.
a perfect dish in Bangkok and a perfect dish here. And a perfect dish for any time. We hope that you enjoy it as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to you. Thank you.
And good night.